Welcome back to the show. It is Bozo Nick with the Berta Bronco Build. It's episode 3. We're doing the roof lining because it's gross. We're working on this puppy today. We're gonna fix it. So it should be pretty chill. Now I've got the material ready to go. Look at it. But I've also got some galaxy lights to put in. Galaxy. I'm hoping I can do this in a day, but we'll see. Hopefully it doesn't turn into just disaster. Good news. The hood line is out. Well, I mean, like it's not out yet, but I'm about to grab it. There's some blokes next door helping them move or something. I'm gonna ask them if I can use them for like 1 second. Let's see how this goes. Hokey Frost. This is gonna be a challenge. I didn't think it was gonna be this hard. In my head, I thought it was gonna be like this. Like this is like nice plastic, easy to work with, solid, right? This is not solid. It is awful. I put some tape on some things just to stop it from falling apart, because when I pull the underside off, it's going to be really gross. In the car, looks like an absolute bomb style. I'm certainly going to fake it until this either breaks and snaps in half, and then I'm going to be in real big trouble, or it's going to work. I'm so delusional to think that this was going to be easy. Sanding this, absolute mission. Come and have a look at it. Yeah, look at that. That's the original foam, the vinyl laid on. The vinyl came up really easily, but it left the foam. So now I have to use like just like a little scraper thingy. Not even a scraper. I'm using this to try and get it off. I don't know what else to use. It's just one of those like scrubbers that your mum has. Or dad. This sucks. I think I've got the worst part of it finished now. Pieces are just falling off. Yep, snapped off. Perfect. This one, broken. Excellent. This corner, also cooked. The whole thing's cooked. Why did I think this was going to be easy? So delusional. This looks incredible right now. I'm really stoked on myself and my ability to just keep going and not giving up, because this was a mission. Hopefully you can see that in the time lapse that it just took forever. All of these bits I have to repair. Some more over here. Just super funky. There's all these ones as well, so hopefully that doesn't show up in the final result. But even out the back here, it's just completely mangled. That bit's falling off. I'm gonna try and hot glue them, and we're gonna see how that goes. Ah! This is all just a crazy experiment. So if it works and it looks good by the end of this, oh, mint. We'll see if it does or not. Is it ugly? Absolutely it is. But if it works, it works. This bit's really mangled. Okay. Now it's all clean. So many things to think about. I'm thinking about what I'm going to do when I flip it over. What am I going to put it on? Because if I just put it on the wood, then it's going to crease. I got some nice new rags there that I got, like perfect. But I'm putting on the new gloves. I don't want to make it gross. We'll see how long that actually lasts. I kind of wish I went for a darker color. It's very light, the one that I got. I don't know how to do this either. I'm just winging it. So far so good. We haven't done much though. These are the galaxy lights. It's got this little box that just puts out light. But we're gonna poke these through the freshly wrapped roof. And then we're gonna snip it off and hopefully I don't make a mess. Because I don't want to go through that again. That took a long time.